About the International Drone Show. The International Drone Show is organized by Odense Robotics, Denmark's national cluster for robotics and drones, and UAS Denmark International Test Center, an internationally renowned test center for drone technology. The annual conference and expo take place at HCA Airport near Odense, Denmark.
The International Drone Show, Northern Europe's largest UAS industry event, returns to HCA Airport in Odense, Denmark, with an expanded program and a strong lineup of international speakers. This year's conference will focus on defense, security, the Arctic, advanced air mobility, integrated airspace, and industry use cases. New technologies. Following a record 500 attendees in 2024, organizers expect around 700 participants this year, reflecting growing industry interest and the increasing role of drones in critical sectors. The International Drone Show has become a key platform for the global UAS community, says Søren Elmer Kristensen, CEO of Odense Robotics. This year's program will offer invaluable insights into how drone technology is advancing across industries, from defense and security to logistics, agriculture, and urban air mobility. With an expanded program and an increasing number of participants, the event provides a unique opportunity to engage with the latest innovations and connect with key players shaping the future of drones. Addressing UAS in defense. As military and security forces increasingly rely on drones and unmanned systems for surveillance, reconnaissance, counterterrorism, and Arctic operations, the need for advanced autonomous capabilities has never been more pressing. Drones are a key component of both the infrastructure and defense of tomorrow. At the International Drone Show, we want to help bridge the gap between those who develop drones and those who will use them, for example in the defense industry, where there is huge potential for drone technology due to the growing global focus on security policy, says Michael Larsson, head of UAS Denmark Test Center. This year's International Drone Show will thus feature key insights from two of the most significant users of military drones, Denmark's Ministry of Defense, DALO, and NATO, NSPA.
Tak fordi du så med for at holde dig opdateret. Husk at trykke på abonner-knappen og give os en tommel op.